just getting packed up here. Day 23. This is my third Cowboy camp in a row. Got a little wet last night. Not too concerned, but it's pretty chilly up here. I have on my clothes. I threw in my rain gear as well. I don't want to get all muddy on the road out there, but heading up Ute Pass this morning. So today I got to climb Ute Pass, get into Silverthorne, Dillon, Frisco, and Breck, and then climb Boreas Pass. If I can get within 40 miles of Salida, I could probably make it home by tomorrow night, which is super exciting. I can't believe I'm this far into Colorado. Really enjoying my time out here on the GDMBR. This is my third Colorado bike tour. It's chilly. I'm not wearing everything. Really glad I have this rain gear, man. The rain gear really keeping me warm this morning. Do have the Apex Torrid on, and I got some leggings on, but a little chilly. I'm only a couple miles from Ute Pass. I camped at about 8,600 feet last night. This mud's kind of vicious, man. It really adheres to the bike. It's freaking me out. I really feel like I've had pretty great weather for this entire trip. Caught a patch of pavement here. Whew. Should be just about there, really. It was just a couple miles off. Woo! Yeah! Oh, man. That's why I'm doing it. That's beautiful. Look at that hill. You got a hell of a thing going on here. Arapahoe National Forest on one side of the mountain, White River National Forest on the other side. And I kind of think that was Ute Pass. 9,600 feet right now. I swear I was at 92. Unless it's at 97, and I got a couple more feet to go up. But wow, look at Colorado, man. Holy Colorado, man. What the... I love it out here. This is my favorite state of the whole trip. It's gotta be my favorite state out of the 48 states I've been to. Just a beautiful day here, 9,700 feet. Early morning. That's 7 miles in already. The sign said Ute Pass 3 miles. I swear I went 7. Not today. Yeah, I just passed this chick. She's getting ready to hill bomb this. She's getting ready to hit this on a skateboard, yo. There was no contest. Those guys were flying. Like 45 miles an hour, I don't know. Coming into Silverthorne, beautiful shoulder. That Ute Pass was incredible, man. So much fun early in the morning like that. I'm glad I pushed and got that close to it. Still on the road, got about 5 more miles to Silverthorne. I'm gonna get a cup of coffee, you know that. Rolling into Silverthorne here, everybody. Just grabbed a cup of coffee at the gas station. Seem to be crossing underneath Route 70. I might hang out here for a little bit though. We'll see. It's such a cool town. I want to move up here. Okay, everybody, cruising through Silverthorne. I don't know. I have like Dillon, Frisco, Breckenridge coming up, so I might try to grab a postcard there, but Silverthorne, the Windy City. Yeah, I don't feel too bad about breezing through these towns because I live here. Silverthorne's not all that far away, and I've spent a lot of time in this area. Silverthorne, Frisco, and Breckenridge especially. So I don't know. I'm not really missing too much. I'm just gonna keep on moving through, head for Dillon, Breckenridge, and I have a hail of a climb today up Ute Pass, 11,700. So I think I'd like to be up and over that by noon because we got some cloud coverage going on, and it is 11, so that's not gonna happen. But I'm going anyway. But anyway, back on the road, guys. The famous Dillon Reservoir Bike Path. Here it is. Go all the way around that some bitch on down to Frisco. Hopefully when I make that turn, this should be a tailwind for me, so always wanted to come right up here. So sweet. Love it. Check the bike lane, yo. This is so cool. Aspen trees. Oh man, this is so nice. It's crazy how easily I get passed by people when they don't have weight on their bikes. I gotta do something about this. Anyway, tomorrow night, oh, can't wait to get home. So lucky I live so close to this route. It's a luxury getting to go home halfway through and ditch half my gear. It's gonna be great. This is so cool. Such a nice trail system. This is so cool. Best bike path ever. Wow, what a beautiful area. Whee! This is so cool. What's up, guys? Woo-wee! Oh, stealth camping all over this mother. Right there. Right there. Hello, how are ya?
Oh yeah.